Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. This is Sabiuddin Ahmed Siddiqui. Now today we are continuing with the video number 26, and the topic is creating methods. Now here we're going to create a new project. The first one is go to file, then new project, continue. Now name it JMethods. JMethods. I have kept the name JMethods. Now I am changing the name of J to capital J. As you know, the first letter of the class should be capital. Now finish it, and now you will see that we will going to create a method. And as you know that in the previous video you saw some methods that we have incorporated some methods, and we try to learn about that if the static method is to be called repeatedly, then you have to create static methods. And now we are going to give a practical today to the whole scenario, where you will come to know about how to fix the program, how to create a menu through GOption Pane and something like that. So keep watching and see it what we demonstrate during the session. Now you need to remove this unnecessary code comments. You know this, remove this, and then again this one is. Now what you have to do is, I'm going to create some methods, then we will do something different. Whatever we have studied, we are going to implement everything up till now in this today's video, that is video number 26. And now I'm just going to add the methods and to make you understand that how to declare methods. So keep watching. Now you can see that this is a JMethod class which I have just declared in front of you. What you have to do here, you have to declare some methods. Now this is the public class. I'm just going to put some comments here so that you can see that I have just disabled this thing for now only. Now if I want to call something, I will be calling the method, and first of all we have to understand that there is a declaration, then method definition, and then method call. So we have to understand three things first. This is the phase method declaration. Let's suppose I'm going to create, and basically we are going to create a calculator, functional calculator. So now as you know that methods are the instance of classes. First of all we need to know about methods, that what are methods, and then we will be going to declare one after another. And there are three phases to develop a method, that is I am just going to demonstrate. Now what is method? What is a method? First of all, methods are the instances of a class, right? So basically methods are the instances of the classes, that means a small object or the combination of methods make a software. So if you have multiple methods of different signatures, let's suppose with different data types and signatures, so you will have a number of different methods, and once the methods have combined, and you will be able to use differently. So now we are coming to the point gradually. Now here, what is the method? Methods are the instances of a class, and you can see that methods reduces the work, and you can see the structure, or it helps in designing the structure as well. You already know that if, for example, if I stand alone start programming in this main class, so you will see that if I have some problem, so I will not be able to get the problem easily. But if you have created a method, whether it is static or the different signatures, so you will have to have the right to get the method easily and to edit the method by its name. So that is why we create methods and we call them one by one. There are three phases in which we have to develop a method. First of all, the method declaration, phases of, you can say phases of methods. Now what are the phases? The first phase is the phase 1 is the method declaration. Second one is the method definition, and the third one is the method call. Now what happens in these three types of information, that the method has different phases and steps to create. You can see the first phase is the method declaration. Now what is the method declaration? Now I am going to create four static methods: public, static, void, add. This is the method declaration: public, static, void, multiply, and then public, static, void, division, and then you have public, static, void, subtraction, right? So I have shortened the name for the type. Now you can see I have declared methods that I am going to create these methods. The another method, that is public, static, void, table. Let's suppose you want to create a table where you will learn about the what is event based programming. Let's suppose the initial number and the ending number, the starting number and the ending number will be given by the user, and then public, static, void, factorial. Now here I am going to just change the signature: public, static, integer. I am just changing this to, this is what you have to do. Static, integer. Okay, so we will do this later. Now we are just going with this: public, static, void, fact. When we will be working on this, then at the time you will see what to do and how to control these things. Now these are the method declaration. Now if I am going to explain something in it, in each method, so this is the definition phase, which you or normally know that the when you use the body, again here in this, come into this and then just write definition phase, and this is here. Definition means what you want to do by a method, why are you creating the method for. So the purpose you can write in it, that is known as the definition, and this is the definition phase. You can see definition phase, and the last one is the phase table, right? I'm just putting the comments, and the last one is the definition phase. For your memorandum, definition phase, right? Now in this regard, I have completed all the methods declaration and showing you the part where you can define the inner parts or internal parts of the methods. So when you define all them, this becomes the definition of the method, and the remaining part is the call of the method. So this is your main function, this is your main body where you can call the method. So you can see that if I just remove the comments, this becomes active. And now if I want to call all the methods, I am just going to call each methods by typing the method name, that is, for example, this is add. I need to use just add with the parenthesis and semicolon. That means this is a workable or functional method, add. Now I have put this thing, you can see that the method activates, there is no need to instantiate it. Multiply, and then you can see division, then you can see something like that, subtraction, and the last two is table, and last one is the factorial, right? Now I have written all the methods. So this is the calling phase, right? This is the function calling. You have called all the methods, but I'm just going to demonstrate something more important, that is, for example, if you have called all these methods, So once the method is executed, so there will be a break and they won't execute one after another because they are written in a sequential manner. Yes, you can call them by assigning the information that if some choice is given. So let's suppose if you have a choice, addition is given or 1 is given or a is given, so it should execute or it should run the program. That is what the method is, right? So this is what the method being called by the user choice when entered. Right now we are going to create a method which is known as control. Why control? Control will be the method, or the main menu will be the method where you will populate the list of these methods, and then these methods name the no abbreviation, all the extension of the methods name. Let's suppose addition, I'm just putting remarks over here, addition, and same is here multi, mul, multiplication. Then division, not use div, by instead of using div you can write division. Then you have subtraction, and then you have table, generating table, event based, and then you have a factorial. Factorial you most probably do not include in the calculator, but this is the calculator where you can include it because this is your own product. So this is the method calling phase, which is the main. You can see the next one, which is your definition phase. Method declaration you saw, this is method declaration, or just I can call them again. Let's suppose I have done the work directly, I have not left anything behind. I am going with the running steps of the method creation. So you can see that if I will sum up all those methods here again and remove the definition phase, so all these methods will look simple. Or let's suppose I'm just calling this here so that all becomes interacted. You can see that this is over here, but to put this way I have to just make something different. I have to use a block level command so that the bracket, this is the curly bracket, which again becomes inactive because of these remarks. So make sure that this is not done, and okay, if it is okay then we are going fine. Now I have to remove one method's bracket over here. Now see, so this is what the methods definition phase basically comes under the method. This is the body of method. So I hope that you will understand this is. And now we are going to create another program in which we will be defining all these methods. We will be creating control, and other method which I am going to create here, that is control, our main menu. Right, this is the menu. Menu means whenever you want to call it, it will keep on repeating and repeatedly call. Definition phase. So now we are done with this, and now in the next video we are going to create all these methods, and we are going to perform all the routines which are required to create a method. These are the empty method with the structure only, and the particular body and the information and statements are going to be written in the next video, that is video number 27, creation of methods. So thanks for watching.